everybody, this is Isha Snehal and you're watching Snehology 101, and today I'm going to talk about a little more about interviews. In case you're wondering what these are actually flip-ons that I bought from Amazon, and they help me protect myself from droplet infection from coronavirus. Basically because community transmission is increasing, people are protesting outside, and I am fed up like all the other health workers. So you guys, whoever is interested in protesting, please protest from home and do not gather outside. Alright, moving on. So about the typical interview day, it starts at 7:30 a.m. depending on where you're going to interview, okay? So keep that in mind. If it says 7:30 CST, it's a different time zone from 7:30 EST. So that can get confusing for international students because it just gets confusing. Please be aware, update your phones and Androids and iPhones for that. That would be my number one advice, so that you do not be late at all. Have a good sleep before your interview day, of course, because you want to be alert and totally ready to nail it. No pressure, but yes, have some pressure on yourself. Now moving on. So it starts at around 7:30 to 8 depending on the coordinator and the program director. Usually they bring in, give you an itinerary of the day, tell you where, what time will you have an interview with the program director, with the rest of the faculty members who will be interviewing you. Everybody will have a different set of interviewers, usually like 6 to 7, and every person gets like 4 to 5 people who will be interviewing them. First of all, they will have the program director introduce the program to you and tell you the specific points about the program. Hey, that this program has these many qualities, it is special for these many things. So keep that in mind, because that is where you can actually take down some notes as well. You can actually note down what is the number of beds, because sometimes websites do not have very much of information. So that is a really good place to take down notes from the presentation. Next would be your interviews, and you will have an interview with the program director, maybe also an interview with the chief resident. So most of the questions are more or less similar. They will ask you why the specialty, tell me about yourself, why this place, do you have any friends here, etc, etc. Be honest and crisp and do not ramble. I think these are the main points, and be prepared, because if you get nervous there, you might end up rambling a lot and will definitely miss out the points you wanted to talk about. So practice before going into interviews, right? With a lot of friends of yours, with other candidates, whoever you find. Anyway, moving on. So you'll have these 4 to 5 interviews, and then you will have like a lunch gatherings with everybody on Zoom, and you guys are just chatting and chit-chatting. If you have any questions remaining, you can do that. Ask them from anybody who's present on Zoom. Other than that, that's like a basic interview structure that happens for residency programs. Usually you will have a virtual cocktail party or a dinner party where you will meet all the residents there. All the years will be there. You can ask your specific questions for the residents, like how do you feel about the residency program in general? What are the pluses and minuses? What are the pros and cons of the program? What are the how responsive is the program towards the residents' needs? And there are so many other questions you can always ask. How is the research taken into account, or how much effort you guys put into research? Is it really important, and stuff like that? So go ahead and ask your questions, and do not be shy. Do not be over friendly, but also do not be quiet, because this is where you make a good impression on the residents, that you're going to be a nice person to be working with, a fun person to be working with. That's about it. And this is what I had for you guys today, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and see you again in a bit. Bye. Take care. All the very best.